welcome back. Did you know May is National Moving Month? So many people are going to be moving this month, and we've got some tips to help you transition from one home to another with all the stress involved, or that could happen. I mean, it's stressful anyway. Here to tell us more about it, we've got Casey Hunter joining us. I just moved last month, and I mean, woo, it's an ordeal. And a lot of folks are going to be moving this month. So tell us some tips for finding a mover, first of all.
Okay. So I would say first off, definitely go and check out several different moving companies and compare quotes. You want to make sure that you have the moving company come to your home and look at the items that you have before you get a quote. Also, to be wary of moving scams, make sure that you never get a quote on the phone without them looking at your items, because that's often a company that's trying to scam you.
Really? So they need to come over and look at what you have before they can quote you a price. Should you be looking at more than one moving company to get the best price?
I would say probably look between 3 and 5 different moving companies and get a written quote on those, so just so you can make an informed decision.
So once it's written down, I mean, that's pretty much set in stone. Like, that's what I'm going to be paying, right?
You should be paying something pretty close to that, but BBB definitely recommends to get everything in writing when it comes to your contract before you sign with a moving company, all the logistics about the pricing and any additional charges that might incur during the move.
Is there any ways we can save on money? Because sometimes moving can get expensive when you're buying the boxes and the packing, you know, all the stuff to pack, and then also for movers.
Yeah, so one good way to save money is to make sure that all of your goods are packed before the movers get there, because, like I said, charges can incur when they're there packing up your items, and they say, oh, well, that's going to be an additional charge. So just make sure that everything's ready to go before they get there, and then hopefully that'll help save some money for you.
And something that you're going to talk about was you can find some good deals online.
Oh yeah, another great way, especially with national moving brands, is to check out some online coupon codes, because some of them might offer some, especially during National Moving Month.
It'll be a great time to look. I didn't think about that.
Yeah.
There's coupon codes for everything. Why not for movers? Of course there are. And you guys have a list of so many movers on your website as well, right?
Yeah, I would definitely say check out some of our accredited businesses. They have to go through an extensive check to be accredited with us. And then also read through some of their reviews, because that's going to give you an idea of what a consumer has experienced when they've dealt with a moving company.
Do you have very many issues as far as what's consumer complaints coming into the BBB?
I wouldn't say a lot. Just make sure they're securely packed well, and that you know the company that you're moving with before you hand all over your stuff and you're like, please take care of it. So yeah, just look out.
Well, for more information about moving, National Moving Month, and if you need some help, you can always go to oklahomacity.bbb.org, and we will be right back. Thank you so much, Casey, for being here.
Thank you.
Great job.